Okay, it is time to play with some shapes and lines. We have been discussing whether or not our names have curvy or straight lines in them. So what we're going to do is we are going to investigate some things around us, and we are going to create a curvy and straight detective hunt. Are you good detectives? Can you go looking around to see what you can find, which has curvy and which has straight lines? So you're going to make sure that you have something that says curvy on one side and straight on the other side. Today, Miss Hake is using her whiteboard. So I'm going to use this as a mat to put some objects on. So you could be anything around you. And if you already have a bucket full of stuff, awesome. So we're going to try to figure out what kind of lines are in my paintbrush. What do you think? When I use it, I can make all sorts of lines. But what lines make up my paintbrush? Will I put it on the curvy side or the straight side? That's right. Did you say straight? You're amazing. And I'll show you at the end of the video to see if we did a good job. Then I looked around and I noticed that Miss Hake has a hair elastic, something that she can use to put up her hair. What kind of lines make up this hair elastic? Are they curvy or are they straight? Curvy, you're right. Then I noticed that my favorite marker is green, and I noticed that it has some curvy lines on it. Do you see that? But what is this line here? Is that curvy or straight? Straight, you're right. Then I looked at my lid, my I Spy lid, and I thought, what type of lines make up this lid? Curvy. Very good. I'm going to show you what we've done so far. Curvy and straight. So you are going to have the opportunity to go and you're going to collect some things and you're going to see how many curvy things you can find and how many straight things you can find. Look at my pen. Straight. Look at Miss Hake's lip balm. I see some circles. And I see this, so it kind of can be the same, the both, right? So I'm going to go right in the middle if it's both. It's curvy at the top and straight down the side. You might notice that you might find some objects like that as well. Have a great time on your curvy and straight hunt. Till next time, bye.